Uma kwenzeka ngiyamalala and you have no idea ukuthi ngiyamalala ngashonaphi, ithi ngikunikeze nje just a heads up so that uzokwazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni kumina.
Hello, sanibonani, dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
Life graduates, Sondela. The date today is the 14th of May 2026 and the time is 22:03 in the afternoon. But I'm in bed and I'm wearing pajamas. Not that I haven't woke up this morning. I did wake up. And I wake up and I had a 9 o'clock appointment with my doctor, with my gynecologist. I am this person who is I religiously check myself makuqala unyaka nje, thoroughly. I check everything that concerns health-wise and make sure that everything is in order. So makuqala unyaka this year, January, ngihambile ngayo-check-a a lot of things. And did a couple of tests and yeah. But the GP that I was using, I was not happy with the fact that they claim kuleya ndawo ukuthi they have everything. For example, nga-check-a ne-pap smear lapha but ama-results wakhona bebengakaze banginike. And I couldn't understand ukuthi why bengenza all the check-ups kodwa ama-results wezinye izinto ngingazitholi. And especially with me, pap smear, I do it every year. I love doing it every year. Mammogram, same thing. This year mammogram angikwazanga ukuyenza because when I went to do a mammogram, there were stories about my medical aid and everything. Only to find ukuthi eJack Persat, they didn't know which account to use to claim for my mammogram, and they told me ukuthi I'm not covered for a mammogram, and I was wondering ukuthi kanjani. Ka-end up ngingayenzanga, so kuphela kwento engakaze ngiyenzeke le mammogram this year. But early, I've been having an ingrowth somewhere in my private part, which has been unsettling, and I don't want to have things njengokungayazi ukuthi iqhamukaphi imiliswa yini. So I went to the doctor ngifuna ukuthi ayikhiphe lento engingayazi ukuthi yini esemzimbeni wami. Ngihambe ngiye kwi-gynecologist, and whilst I'm there ngimcela ukuthi ngicela aphinde angenze i-pap smear because I did i-pap smear at a GP, but I've never received my results. And this year I've had this problem ukuthi, not this year, but nje started a couple of years back, mhlampe from 2012, if I'm not mistaken, 2012, 2013, around there. At first I thought ukuthi it's because bengihlala endaweni ebanda kakhulu. 2008 late, I moved to Johannesburg. So those of you who knows weather at Johannesburg, it is extremely cold. So, and then from Johannesburg, I moved to Holland, and Holland is even worse, band. So these past couple of years since then, period pains have never ever became normal. I have been experiencing excruciating pains to a point ukuthi at times I will even not even go to work because the pain is just unbearable. So uma ngifika ku-doctor kwi-gyna, ngifike ngiyicela ukuthi as much as ngifuna ukuthi akhiphe le ingrowth engingayazi ukuthi iyini nokuthi imayelana nani, angicela ayikhiphe, ayisike ayikhiphe, and then ngicela ukuthi aphinde angenze another pap smear because I did my pap smear in January but angiwatholanga ama-results. Okay, we did that. He cut out the ingrowth ebekade nginayo. Makaqeda ukuyikhipha, we send isicubu leso e-lab to see ukuthi siyini because bekuyinto nje engathi iyagongquza inside, on the side of the lip of the vagina, but inside. So ayikhiphe-ke ke lento ihanjiswe lab and senze ne-pap smear, And then on Tuesday this week, I was supposed to go and get those results. I went. When I get there, unfortunately, a lab, they had a problem with their systems. Maybe bahlupha up and down. So the doctor said akafuni ukungilindisa because he's not sure ukuthi inkinga yabo i-IT uzoyisolva after how long. So I'd rather go home. What he's gonna do is that when he gets the results once they are out, he is going to call me and explain the results over the phone if nothing bad is happening or go right. But if something is of concern, he's going to ask me to come into the rooms. And then yesterday afternoon, I received a call from a reception kadokotela ithi angize urgently. I must try to come urgently because the doctor needs to discuss my result. And from there and there, I was just unsettled ukuthi yo, phela he can only call me back into the rooms if there's something happening or if there's something of concern. Ayibonile kuma results. I went there this morning today, and when I get there, luckily into engangiyela i-ingrowth le eyakhishwa, it's like how he explained it to me ukuthi it's just an extension of a follicle, but it is growing internally. That is why it ended up doing what it was doing. But the ama results lawa we-pap smear, they have shown ukuthi there are very, very small, tiny cells around my cervix, which, if they are not treated in time or early, in the next 2, 3 years, they can develop into cancer. Because they test those particles, those cells that they discovered, is that they are testing positive to something that relates to to they are testing positive to cancer cells, which means akakobi cancer, but they might develop into it if they are being left untreated. Oh, guys, I was so devastated. And the doctor is actually happy because ngokwakhe siyithole kuse-early ingakobi worse. But to think that I have to go to the theater and do this, even though it's a day procedure, it's something that I'm gonna go to the hospital, do it, and go home later on. But guys, yo, ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngiyoneka ikuku, ngathi ngiyazala again. uNkulunkulu wangibusisa njengomntwana oyi-1 kuphela mina emhlabeni, angiphindanga nganomntana omunye. I-theatre to me is a trauma because I have been in and out of the theatre so many times, and nini they were trying to blow open my fallopian tube so that I can have a baby. Nini they even la enganqaba khona okokugcina was when they were saying ukuthi the last option that I have in order for me to have babies again is to do tuboplasty, which is an operation that is similar to the operation that is done by people abayoteta ngomthungo. I refused to have a scar for sweet nothing because that was not a guarantee ukuthi anything could ever happen. Yazi bese ngithi ngidlulile, yabona in your 40s you think ukuthi anything that has got to do with ivagina nobuhlungu nokuqaqamba kwayo and operations and pains and what not, usuke usucabanga ukuthi usudlulile kulezo zinto ezikanjalo nje in your 40s because vele ama-chances okuthi ungamitha nani nani asuke esemancane. But the reason I am doing this video, I just want to spread the word out there. Bantu besifazane ngicela sizithandeni, sizinakeni. Do these pap smears once a year. Make sure that everything in your body is okay. If unento emilayo, ngisho kungathiwa ibuhlungu, but make sure ukuthi you go and consult and find out ukuthi yini lento emilayo engingayi-understand emzimbeni wami. If you suddenly see developments in your body, like I mentioned, ukuthi my period pains have changed. Now they are just extremely painful. Ngikuzibile mina because bengicabanga ukuthi it's just period pains. Little did I know ukuthi they are growing to becoming that painful. Akuhambi kodwa kuhambisana nokuhluma kwalama cells abawabambile ukuthi they've got 99.9% chance of growing into cancer if they are left untreated. Now, guys, on Monday, a week later, which is 25th of May, I have to go to hospital and do this procedure. And ngicela ukusho ukuthi I've got a lot of stories that are sitting in my DMs. Ngizozama ngako konke ukuthi ngiwaphushe aphume next week, so that I can just schedule them ukuthi niwathole, because angazi ukuthi how am I going to be physically and emotionally, and the fact that ukuthi nje khona manje I'm emotionally frustrated, because as much as I'm happy ukuthi at least lento it was discovered earlier isengathitheka, kodwa ew, guys, i-theatre to me is a trauma. I've been in and out of theatre a number of times trying to have umntana. Kwaze kwaphela umendo, ngiphuma ngingena kodokotela ngigqojozwa ngithiwani. Bezama ukufind out ukuthi why ngine-unexplained secondary infertility. So yeah, it is a traumatic experience. Ngenzela ukuthi just in case if you see me ngivenishile on YouTube, and ube aware ukuthi why have I just vanished out of the blue. And I'm asking you to put me in your prayers. Whenever you pray for me. I'm just trusting and hoping that, because my daughter explained ukuthi into encane, procedure encane, hence I won't even have to stay in hospital. As much as kuyinto encane, ayikho into ehambisana nempilo nehambisana nokuthi kufanele iziyotrithwa at a theatre, kodwa ibe incane. Doctors deal with major things every day, so that is why kubona izinto eziningi bezibona zizinto ezincane. So ngiyacela, put me in your prayers. And if nibona ngivenishile, ngicela niqhubeke ningisupport. Continue to watch the old videos. Continue to watch with the ads. Ningawaskip my ads. I will come back. I know my God is good. I will come back, and we'll continue to educate each other in everything that we educate each other on this channel. So yeah, I just wanted to pass on that message. I'm in bed now. It's around 3 p.m. in the afternoon on the 4th of May, and I'm wearing my pajamas. Benginento ethi ngifuna ukuzolala, but I can't sleep. That is why I'm even finding myself doing this video, because I can't sleep. But I'm trusting God. Dr. Ati, my doctor, being the vessel that is going to be used by God to deal with the situation. Ukuthi kuzoba right. Thank you. Ngiyanithanda ke kakhulu futhi. And I appreciate each and every one of you for all the support that you give and that you have shown, and the love that you have shown to this channel.